Perhaps the single most important thing you can do as a parent is realize that what you do, what you say, and what you think has a huge impact on the way your child learns, even though it feels like they aren't even listening. To help them to be a successful learner, use encouragement rather than praise, because this helps kids be confident to take risks, try different strategies, and solve problems. Encouragement focuses on the process of learning, while praise is simply focused on achievement. To encourage your child, start a conversation with some of these simple conversation starters. What's your favourite subject at the moment? What was the trickiest thing you had to do today? Why do you think this maths, that chemistry problem, or your English text is difficult? If they get stuck on something and ask you for help, don't give them the answer. Guide them to their own solution. Try asking, can you break this down? Can you show me what you would normally do to solve that? Is there another strategy you can use? Can you skip it, finish the others, and come back? Acknowledge their effort rather than the result. Try saying, that was tough, but I was proud you kept going with it. I know if you get something wrong, you will go back and fix it. You may not be a teacher or understand all or frankly any of what your kids are learning, but you can help them become a successful learner.